I have actually been toning my lips. Hey Shug, it's your girl Taj Mahaly, your favorite bald-headed esthetician, and this is for all my beauty bosses and skin enthusiasts. And today we're talking all things lips. Now I figured this would be a super appropriate video to do, especially since Valentine's Day is going to be here soon, and so I know that we all, especially in the dead of winter, deal with crusty lips, you know, a little bit of peeling, a little bit of dryness, and so I want to address the different things that I do in my routine that I love to help with exfoliating and making my lips just feel amazing, like amazing. Number one, I'm gonna start with the obvious. I love little lip scrubs. Lip scrubs or polishes are not necessarily my favorite form of exfoliation. However, this is the only place on my body where sugar is going to be scrubbing anything. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, you should take a look at this video up here. It'll tell you everything that I'm talking about when it comes about sugar scrubs. This is from Sugar. This is the Sugar lip polish. And honestly, when I first got this, I was like, this is extremely overpriced for this little tube of lip polish. I was like, this is not very coin friendly. I did realize that a little bit goes a long way with this product, so you don't really need to overdo it. You don't need to grab a whole lot of it. However, if you are going to be a DIYer, the only thing that I would say that you can mix together would be, of course, some sugar or jojoba wax beads and a little bit of a coconut oil or something that has an oil that's more solidified. I'm not a DIYer. I'm not a kitchen fashionista. I'm not doing it. I'm not built like that, so that's why I really enjoy this one. And also, like I said, I don't really reach for sugar lip polishes or lip scrubs in general unless I'm doing some major lip peeling. I'm talking we need to just go ahead and get this off so we can start a fresh new base of new skin. Say I wouldn't overdo it. Twice a week max for any type of physical scrubs on the lips is fine. Another great tip that you can use is I like to use a washcloth. It tends to have enough texture on there as well, so you can just rub that dead skin off, make it nice and warm, and rub it, and they tend to do a very similar thing. It gets rid of that dead, peeled up lip skin. Oh, I can't stand it. I feel like a snake. Number two, I have actually been toning my lips. I've been toning my lips. So the Inculus has a PHA toner. The reason why I like this particular toner is because it is great for sensitive skin. Now, I'm not sure if you guys know or not, but when your lips are more on the drier side, or they're cracked, or they're peeling, they tend to be very sensitive to certain products. So having a PHA toner like this one is awesome for incorporating it into your routine regularly. So if you're a toner gal, and most of y'all are, y'all love Paula's Choice toners, y'all are ride or die Paula's Choice toner gals and guys. You want to make sure that when you're toning, you want to get on your lips as well. They deserve love and exfoliation as well. So incorporating that into your routine is going to be amazing. PHAs are called polyhydroxy acids. So basically these are a more mild form or a slower form of exfoliating acid that's great for people who have more the eczema skin type, rosacea, just really great exfoliants for sensitive skin. When it comes to your lips, I don't believe that you need to be using a salicylic acid on it, or you need to be using a glycolic acid on your lips. I think that if you do, you want them to be pretty mild, and you don't want them to be a long-term staying product, so that's where polyhydroxy acids come in. So if you are someone who tends to have more sensitive skin, but you still need an exfoliation product, the Inculus definitely hit it out of the park with this PHA toner. So I highly recommend, if you are one of the girls who are looking for an exfoliation step, but you're not trying to over exfoliate, or maybe you're just dipping your toe into exfoliation, PHAs are the way to go. And since it is more for the sensitive or a slow term exfoliation process, it's really great still for those who are looking to get started in your exfoliation but not wanting to light your skin on fire. I recommend it. Next, let's talk about enzymes. If you're new here, I want you to get cozy. Let's start to talk because I love enzymes. I love a good enzyme. Enzymes are fruit-derived acids that eat away at the top layer of dead skin like a little Pac-Man. I love them for gentle exfoliation as well. However, there are some people who can't necessarily tolerate certain enzymes based on how potent or which type of AHA or BHA that may be within that formulation. I love to do a lip mask, but not just any lip mask, you guys. The lip mask of all lip masks. So I love from Script the papaya and coconut enzyme. What you'll do is before you get in the shower, maybe 2 times a week max, you guys, you're going to want to take a nice little Q-tip, you're gonna swab it out, you're gonna go ahead and apply it over your lips, and then you're gonna hop in the shower. So not only are the AHAs and BHAs within this product, which is a mild factor as well, but not only are the AHAs and the BHAs in this product going to go ahead and do their job by eating away at those top layers of dead skin, that steam is going to help to intensify the tingling or maybe even the itchy feeling that you feel, which is working. It's doing its job. I love Script for their enzymes. I love enzymes, period. I think that enzymes are the way to go when it comes to masking and exfoliating all in one step. So I think that this is probably my golden tip. This is it. This is the guy. Now there are different levels of intensity of enzymes that they have. So if you're looking or you're scared that you might get one that's too high, I would just take a look at different enzymes that are out on the market and look for those that tend to be more of a mild enzyme. Do your research on what is a mild enzyme and what would work best for you. Also, some people tend to have fruit allergies. Just make sure that you don't get an enzyme that has fruits that you're allergic into as well. Okay? Okay. Now lastly, after you've done your treatment, you've done your exfoliation, you know what the next most important thing is? It's to hydrate or protect. I've told you guys about the Lip Sleeping Mask by Laneige. I've told you guys about some of my favorite hydrating products like HA5 or just other hyaluronic acid based moisturizers, serums, what have you. But my favorite thing to coat my lips with, and I'm telling you, Bible, favorite thing to coat my lips with at the very end of the night is, are you ready? Are you ready? Bam! Okay, here she go. This is the big bad sis. You know, the good mamas, the good sis, it is the good CeraVe healing ointment. Okay, it's full of ceramides, fatty acids, and things to help repair the skin and nourish it and protect it after all of the things that we've done to keep them nice and soft and kissable. So this is literally what I love to walk out of the house with first thing in the morning, last thing at night. We've been in a committed relationship for quite a while now, and that means for my lips too, not just for my face as a finisher. So having this in your lineup is so amazing. If you're not someone who wants to carry around this big tub, I keep one in my car. You can always grab the little smaller squeezy tube that they have that I think that Target sells, just so you can keep one on you. Literally, I promise you guys, it doesn't get much better than this right here. You can also do a couple things. For instance, sometimes if I'm feeling extra dry, I will go in with a very cheap hyaluronic acid serum, either from the Inky List, from The Ordinary, or even from Good Molecules, and I will just apply a little bit of that first, let that kind of soak into my skin, and then you top this off. It's gonna keep all of that hydration in. Girl, it's gonna be amazing. Like, your lips are gonna feel like they just got a drink of water, and that is what we want when you're looking to hydrate, exfoliate, and keep a nice soft lip. So with that being said, you guys, I think that's going to conclude all of my lip secrets. I'm gonna be honest, there are a few other products that I have used before, but I find that they're a little bit more expensive, and they don't necessarily do more or less for those who are looking for some extra lip love. Things like I said, I talked to you about HA5, which is from SkinMedica, which is a hyaluronic acid serum. That's a good one, not necessary. The lip mask, sleeping mask by Laneige is amazing. Once again, not necessarily needed, but still a great product, or one that you can keep in your reservoir. And I even like the rose salve that is sold at Ulta. It is so good as well. Once again, it's one of my feel-good products not necessarily needed. But these guys I use on a regular basis. They're definitely something that I would necessarily say is essential. These are essential workers, if you will, in my lip care regimen. So with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If this gets uploaded on Valentine's Day, happy Valentine's. Look out for this next one. Drop below in the comments what you would like to see from me. I'm going to switch up the way I record some videos. They're gonna be a little bit more high grade, you know, more quality, if you will. It's gonna be a little bit more of long form content as well. So I'm really excited to get that started with you guys. I start filming that tomorrow. Aside from that, make sure you like this video. That helps with the algorithm and helping other people like yourself with similar interests to see who I am. And subscribe if you're not a part of my skin friends. Like, girl, like, you'll love it here, I promise. Especially now that I'm getting a little bit more settled with where I'm living in our new space. It's gonna be great here. You'll love it here. I'm also interested in making some more esthetician friendly videos or content. If that's something you would like to see, leave me a comment or a thumbs up as well. Okay? Okay. It's your girl Taj Mahaly. We love to see it. Y'all have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.